this tour, maybe next tour with Miss SG.
Sample lang talaga.
Kung pinaasa mo sila eh.
Sorry, but I will give back to you.
But anyways, for now, wala man si Miss SG. Pero itong energy na to, yung next na magpa-perform, SG rin. Sobrang galing.
Oh!
Kaya